Hello, super readers! Today, we are going to a magical forest to help a sad kangaroo. Let's read. Bounce again. Kip the kangaroo loses his bounce. Kiki the koala tells Kip to see Will the wizard. Will the wizard makes some magic medicine. Kip gets his bounce back. Did you hear the oi sound? It sounds like a bouncy spring. Let's read together. Look at Kiki. What does she do? She uses her finger to point. P, oi, n, t. Point. Look at the magic pot. The green water starts to boil. B, oi, oo, boil. What is Kip holding in his hand? A gold coin. K, oi, n, coin. Now Kip can jump. What sound does he make? Boing. B, oi, n, boing. You are a magical reader. You learned point, boil, coin, and boing. See you next time. Boing, boing. Bye-bye.